Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Bling Galleria, and these three colors here are part of the Winter Wonderland collection. The first color here, it's called Santa's Coming to Town, and it is by far the funnest foil glitter dip, and it's super pretty. It has gold foils, and then it has glitters of blue, green, red. It's super pretty. And then Oh Holly Night is a beautiful fine glitter, and it is a beautiful blue glitter, and it has some micro glitter in there too, so check out that sparkly goodness. It's super glittery, and I really like that fine glitter, and I really like the color as well. And then we're going to be using the gold leaf, and I did use this color in a previous video, in like a fall video, but this gold is your pure gold. It's beautiful, and you can use it as a dip, and you can also chrome with it, and it's super pretty. And check out the three of these colors together. It is perfect for that fun holiday mani that we're going to be creating today. We're going to be doing the gel method, and I'm going to be making press-ons. Now these colors are part of the Winter Wonderland collection. You can either get the entire collection or you can get the colors individually, which I really like that about Bling Galleria. Alright, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. Not every holiday mani has to be that green and red. I really like the pop of blue. And then Santa's Coming to Town, that beautiful foil glitter is so pretty. I love it, and I really like how it organically laid on the nail. I did not apply any extra foils or glitters to it. Whatever I dipped into the cupcake liner, that's how it turned out, and I really like how it turned out. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on nails at home, and I'll see you in the next upload.